Hey, 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 it's Pam, and I am here today because I need a little help in my life, in my business life. And I heard something about Claude having co-work and how does that work and all that. So I'm like, I didn't know what it was. Went looking, and I found this lady. She did her a brain dump, and I was like, oh, that is so smart. That is what I needed for. I need Claude so that um, I can have an assistant because I need to be on track now. Now I know why my clients always wanted me to be on track with them because they needed that. So I need that from Claude. This is what I did. Now I have longer videos that I did the whole process. Those are Claude Co-Work 1, 2, and 3, but it was so long. So I wanted to make a video that I could just go over kind of what I did, and it was super easy. Let's go. So first thing you need is Claude desktop app. You need that. If you're on desktop, that just and then same with phone. And then what you need to do is go down. So for this, I'm connecting my calendar and my Gmail. So I'm going to go down to my name. I'm going to go to settings, and I want to show you where you can connect that to. All right. So, and if you don't want to connect, it will make you a little calendar, but it's not as robust and as amazing as it connecting to your Google Calendar. So, right here, connectors, you can connect what you need. You can go in here and this is where you would find them. I already have them connected. So that's what you do. All right. And then you go back to co-work and it's the middle one. Like the first one's chat, then co-work, and then code. That's my next one to get. But I love Manus for the coding, so I'm okay for now. All right. Anyways, let's go ahead and do this. So, what I needed was since I have a lot going on and I have a lot of businesses that I have to keep track of, and when you have a lot going on, you have a lot of tasks. So, I was kind of going crazy and I needed something to help me. And so when I saw this lady do a brain dump and it connected right to her Google Calendar, that's what I did. I loaded up my whole business. I have a doc that has all that, what every business is and all that. So I was just able to copy that, put it into co-work here, not chat, co-work, and then I asked, please add this to my Google Calendar and color code it. Perfect. It did it perfectly. Okay. Now, is it perfect? Perfect. I did say perfectly, didn't I? I mean, it is. It is to a point. It really is. Um, but it randomly did some times and stuff, which was fine. Those are easily fixed. But anyways, so then what I did was, okay, every day I have a particular business that I focus on. And then I said, hey, I need, told Claude, my way of working is I do 3 priority tasks a day. Those are what I get done, and then I can move on. So I explained that to Claude as well. And then what I did was today, because I know that next week I'm going to be really busy, I just wrote out my notes and what I do instead of just typing out everything here, I just I just talk in the microphone and it saved me so much time. I didn't have to type it or anything. That would have took like at least 20 minutes. And how many spelling errors would I had? Oh my God. Another thing you can do is just take a picture of your to-do list and upload it right here. See? Add photos. Right there. Okay. So That is what I did. I brain dumped first what all my businesses were, what days that I want to work on them. And then I said, hey, I do my work with three priorities at a time. And then then today I said, hey, here is my to-do list. Please put this under every single um, business. And it created the calendar yesterday. I did the brain dump with the task today. And so every week, that is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go, hey, here is my brain dump for next week. Now, watch this. I'm going to show you what happened when I did this. Okay, so everything's right here. So you can see all this. It does say here, Pam, daily morning email. Yes. Now, it doesn't connect all the way, but I am not tripping. It goes into my drafts and I'm okay. But first, let me show you the calendar. I was amazed. Okay. So, calendar first. All right. So, this is this week. All right. And kind of boring. I rarely ever, like, I might put some stuff in here, like, things that I need to remember, but it is like nothing. So, look at next week's because I did Claude. And it's color coded, people. Do you see this? It put in my emails I need to send. It put in my priorities, my tasks that I need. And I love this part. See where it says do a test run, note any gaps, prep for official launch. I didn't put any of that in there, guys. Video, I knew what video I wanted, but then look at here. It says include affiliate link, share your honest take. I didn't I didn't put any of this in over here. My white label, I'm working on that. It tells me I didn't put any of that in there. Okay. And then it tells me templates, and then I have a theme for my digital products. But then look at here. It also gave this suggestion. Hey, do you want me to give you school post updates? And I'm like, or ideas. I'm like, oh yeah, please, 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 because on school you have to do it daily. You can't just schedule. So here we go. It's giving me things. What? And look how beautiful. And look at the difference, guys. I'm going to get so much stuff. I'm going to be so focused. So focused. And it also keeps my other stuff in here. And I love this. But then the email. Look at this. Happy Saturday, Pam. Your calendar is looking full. Really? And then it gives me my three priorities. And then it gives me my calendar of this. And every morning, it will be in my drafts, but that's okay. I'm not going to stress on that. I wasn't going to go down a rabbit hole of Chrome because it was saying it was a Chrome error. Not my error, not Claude's error, but a Chrome error. I wasn't going to do all that. I'm happy with it coming into my drafts. I just have to go in there to do that. So, yeah, you guys, if you want to get organized like this and have some kind of focus or have something, then yeah. And then we can come in here and yeah, it gives me notice. I think all of them are set up that it gives me a little notice. Okay, okay. This was beautiful. Claude Co-Work to set up my schedule and have an email sent to me every day took less than 30 minutes to set up. Okay, less than 30 minutes. Crazy. So, if you like stuff like this, AI, things to keep your business organized, then like, follow, and share because I'm going to be doing all of this all the time. Okay, Claude is one of my favorites. I love Claude because it's a visual thing. Manus, I use it more for coding, and then ChatGPT, I use it, probably more my personal. Okay, like it knows me a little bit better than Claude, even though I brought over my info from GPT or from Chatty. Claude just, or not Claude, ChatGPT just is more of my idea kind of person, and then I take it to Claude to actually do it. And then if it's a big, big project, then I go to Manus. All right. Those are my AI tools. All right, guys, thank you very much. And if you guys want to come over to school and make money with Pam and Sadie, we're not like sharing like, silly how to make money. It's like we're, sharing, hey, send an email, do this. It's like business. We've been growing our business. We want to share that with you as well. So find Make Money with Pam and Sadie. And I'll put the link below as well. We would love to see you there. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day.